Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today on the show we're going to be drawing
a dog.
A dog, and it's not any ordinary dog. It's going to be an Australian Kelpie dog. Isn't that right?
And we got one
We've got a Kelpie, don't we? Here's Marley. Oi. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Come down to the middle of your page and we're going to draw his nose. It's kind of like a little U like that, or it's like a little hole in the ground. Okay? And then what you want to do is you want to curve up like that, and we'll colour it in. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come up here and you want to draw two small eyes. So 1, 2, kind of relatively close together. And then you want to draw 2 little circles with those eyes in the corner. Okay, and then you want to colour it in underneath, not those little circles, but just underneath them. So you can see the little highlights. Kind of looks like a bear, doesn't it? Good job. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create like the Kelpie's face. From here, you just want to draw like a little, it's kind of a V with a bend in it. Yep. And then from here, we're going to go from here sort of up to here, sort of in a line. So just a small line up to there. Give it a little bit of a curve. And the same thing again, up here, bit of a curve. Okay, then here we're going to do the Kelpie's ears. So you want to go around like so, and then like that. So like a U. A little bit of a hook. And we're going to do it on the opposite side.
And make a heel in the middle.
Yep. We're going to make a hill in the middle to connect these 2 ears together to form the face. Okay, now.
This looks like the kangaroo that we did.
Yeah, it does look like the kangaroo that we did, that's right. Now, the next thing we want to do here is to create the dog's body. Now, the first thing you should do is just create like a line, a curved line that comes down to about there. And we want to do that on the other opposite side. Follow that through down. Good job, Phoenix. Now, this is the fun bit. So we're going to do his paws. But what we want to do is you want to curve in and then come around like so. Yep, and we do it on the opposite side. Come out, curve in. And then we want to do like the paws, the circle. Well, not a circle, sort of a U shape at the bottom. And the same with this one. And then we want to push up and create one of the legs. One leg.
One leg.
And we're going to do the other leg, 2 legs. Yep.
2 leggies.
And then we'll do the paws. So we'll just do 1, 2 lines there.
1, 2.
And 1, 2 lines there on that side. So we have his paws when he's sort of sitting down. So from here, we want to connect his body at here. Like it's kind of like a small little hill. Oh, wow. It looks like he had a lot to eat.
Oh, yeah, he's full.
He's full? Okay. And then what do we want to do? We want to do his back legs. So we're going to do sort of like this curve that comes down here on either side. So you sort of start in the middle-ish here, come down 1, like that. And then you want to do sort of like a bump there. So that's one of his back legs. Yep. And then we're going to do that on the opposite side. So come down. A bit more, and then a bump. So that is back legs. And then we just want to do his tail.
Yes, tail.
So you start from here, go up, curve it at the back.
Look.
Nice and thin, and then long.
He's got a fat tail.
Oh, yeah. So we want to do his ears. So you want to do some sort of curved triangles here. You want to curve up, back, and then curve at the bottom. They kind of look like a fingernail, I guess you could say. On this side, curve up, curve down, and then around like that. So like little rockets. And if you want, you can make his legs just a little bit bigger. And pretty much that is our Australian Kelpie. We just drew a dog. Yeah, good job. I like yours. It's cool. All right, Phoenix, what's the next step?
Color in.
Color in, let's do it.
Let's do it.
See you on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, there we go. We've just drawn our dogs. Phoenix, what colour have you done your dogs? I like this. What's this?
A lightning strike.
A lightning
Super
strike.
dog.
And has he been in the water?
Yeah.
Playing with the ball? Yeah, I like it. Woof, woof, woof. And here's my Kelpie. Went with a kind of traditional looking Kelpie with his
Ball.
tennis ball and his doggo water ball.
I got a big ball.
Bowl. Well guys, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Do you want to bring Molly up? Molly.
Molly,
What do you think? Let's see what the actual Kelpie thinks. Up.
here.
Good boy. What do you think of this? Oh, which one do you like? Which one?
Which one?
Which one do you like?
Sure.
Woof. Oh, someone's there. Okay. I think you like both of them, you think?
Yes.
What can the folks at home do, Phoenix?
Pause the video.
You can pause the video at any time. So if you're falling behind, just pause the video, catch up, keep going. That's what you can do.
Hope you subscribe.
And I hope they subscribe as well. So until next time, guys, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is...
Phoenix!
And we are having fun making art. We'll see you next time.
I hope you have fun.
I hope you have fun too.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
What do you think of the pictures? Are they good?
Oh yes. Oh, very good.